Guys, happy Tuesday. Before I get into this recipe, we need to do the birthday giftaway announcement for last week's birthday giftaway, which was a $25 gift card to a restaurant of your choosing. And let's hop to it. Okay, so I grabbed the link. I stuck it in there. Laura G, you are the winner. So get with me, Laura, and I will make sure you get your gift card. Either message me on Instagram or on the Facebook page, or you can send me an email. My email is in the About page on my on my YouTube About page. So definitely shoot me an email, and I will get that to you. Congratulations. Thank you for helping me celebrate my birthday. There's something about soup on a Sunday. It's calm, it's comforting. It's just something to wrap up the weekend. We don't always make soup on Sundays, but when I do, I really kind of appreciate it. Probably more than soup any other day of the week. I know it sounds silly, but you know, soup is for the soul. And sometimes on Sunday we need to refuel and refresh our soul from the inside out.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy, tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. Your eyelids and perfect lips got me rushing, panting. I'm so lit, like lilies you open. The fragrance goes to my head, my darling. I get everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. We've been mostly off track and under attack, so we've
This is a very easy pizza dough recipe that I am transitioning into garlic breadsticks. You could let it proof longer, and you can actually use a French bread recipe, but I wanted something that was quick. Start to finish, the soup and the breadsticks I was probably done within an hour at the most. It was just, like I said, it's a great way to wrap up a Sunday. But having those fresh breadsticks that took hardly any time to mix up was really great. I will be using this same recipe for homemade pizzas later in the week.
Yeah, we've stayed loyal to each other. Now everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. Ooh, 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 I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans.
So as you see, that soup was delicious. Delicious. Well, I guess you can't see that it's delicious. It's definitely worth giving it a shot. I've tweaked it, and it was a perfect go. So I am definitely going to keep it in my recipe binder, because it is something that I would like to make a few times a year. It's great for company. It's great for those cold winter nights. It's good. It would almost be really, really enjoyable after a hayride or after spending time outside raking leaves on a cool day, because it's just very soothing, super soothing regardless. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and here is the next birthday giveaway. Y'all gonna have to pardon the lighting. It's still early. It's 6 in the morning, so it's still dark outside, and I am editing this video, so I just wanted to make sure I got all the little pieces in. So the next birthday giftaway is going to be another one of my favorite things, and that is an Erin Condren notebook. You guys know I use an Erin Condren planner all the time. Every year I always get a coordinating notebook to go with my planner. I have several different planners for different things, and each one of them I get a notebook in. I love these notebooks. The paper quality is amazing, and they are just great. So that will be the next giftaway, is an Erin Condren notebook. So just leave a comment down below. All the details about the giftaway and such are down in the description box. Thanks for hanging out with me this morning, today, whenever you're watching this. I do want to say that today is Tuesday, August 25th. It is the 3-year anniversary for Hurricane Harvey in our area. And ironically, we are preparing for what is going to be Hurricane Laura. Right now, we're still in the cone of uncertainty, so I had decided that I'm going to go ahead and vlog today. I don't know what I'll get. We have already done a lot of our prep, so it won't be like a hurricane prep thing. But I can keep you updated on the updates and just everything going on. I thought it might be a good day to kind of document a little bit. So that is that. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.